Hello everyone, welcome to the HardVC channel, and today I'm going to show you how to update the software on the Motorola Moto G87. So to update the software to the newest version, all we need to do is open up the settings and then scroll down to the system updates section. And then we're going to tap on check for updates. And it's going to check for updates, and if you have the latest version, it's going to tell you everything looks good. But if you don't and you're due for an update, it's going to give you a quick guide on how to do it. Just follow it, and you're going to have your phone updated to the new version. And that is pretty much it for this video. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.